So today we're at 3313 Cumberland, and this house was built in 1975. We bought it on an auction site, which is a site that the banks sell homes for online. You bid, online, and if you win, you can buy the home. There's a lot that goes to bidding online and the types of house you buy. So we'll do that in another video, just letting you know how we purchased this particular home. We selected this home over others that we looked at for several reasons. One is generally we only buy houses that are like 1975 or newer. It just saves the trouble of the unknown and the risk factor. Two is, as you can see here, this house has a brand new roof. I don't know how old it is, but it can't be very old because there's scraps of metal around the yard that shows that it was done recently. And the whole house overall is in decent condition. It's almost 100% brick. It's in a good neighborhood that's quiet. There's a few dogs next door, but they just bark for attention. But as you can see, overall, it needs cleaning. It needs some work. But we believe that at about $30,000 in investment, this house will be on the market and ready to be flipped. That's what we expect to spend approximately renovating this home. The two big things that we will do, one is the HVAC system. This air conditioning system out here, this condenser was installed in I think 2006. When you're buying a home or looking to buy a home, you can look at the label and look at when it was manufactured to give you a good idea when it was installed. So it's 2024, this thing's at least 18 years old. The unit on the inside of the furnace and the air handler on the inside, that one's even older. So the entire system will be replaced as part of the renovation here. These windows are the old aluminum windows. They're overall in good shape. We will not be replacing them. We will be repainting the exterior and the soffits, priming, fixing, priming where there's the darkness you'll see underneath, the mold. If that's mold, it's just dirt. And wherever there's damage on the fascias or soffits, we will repair.